patriarchal blessing modeled on New Testament miracles. Lorenzo Snow's 1836 patriarchal blessing promised miraculous gifts in language that closely resembles New Testament healing narratives associated with Peter and Paul.
Thy shadow restore the sick. The diseased shall send to thee their aprons and handkerchiefs, and by thy touch their owners shall be made whole.
The imagery closely parallels Acts 5:15, where Peter's shadow was believed to heal, and Acts 19:12, where handkerchiefs and aprons associated with Paul were said to cure disease, indicating that early Latter-day Saint blessings sometimes adopted biblical miracle motifs. Rather than introducing a wholly novel pattern, the blessing reflects an effort to place Lorenzo Snow's anticipated ministry within familiar scriptural models, reinforcing expectations that apostolic powers described in the New Testament could continue through modern priesthood authority.